everybody, it's me, Jenny. For today's video, I have something big for you. Today, I got these packages by Louise. This is a special delivery that I received, and I'm so happy. I'm so you can't imagine how much excited I am. Because this package, I ordered this on October to be delivered on December, but it's gonna be wrapped, as you can see, so it's so beautiful, gorgeous. Look, this is so beautiful. This is a sticker card with a coupon that I can use, but I don't know why, and the real package, box. It's hard, but it's really protected. Finally. And this is another package. My Christmas present. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. And all this is the mirror. All this, so let me see. First impression can be decided. I'm gonna put this here, not to reflect the mirror, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me take this off. Plastic. I really want this palette in my life. Okay, I need to be fast because, as usually, I'm gonna take time. So I don't want to. I'm so excited. There are good tutorials that are on the way. So that's gonna be good. Let's gonna start with this yellow, which is Climax. Is the yellow one Climax? Okay, it is powdery, but it's so pigmented. Oh wow, that yellow. It is yellow. I wanna try to do a simple look because I don't have enough time. I wanna try. I always wanna do a simple look and I end it with a dramatic look. But no, I'm gonna do a simple look, I promise. Oh my god.
After I do this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna start talking like, oh darling. Lovely. That is the accent, British accent that is complicated for me.
Now I'm gonna use this one, Dreamy. It's an orange shade, yellow orange shade. In Lost, I'm gonna use this one in Lost. It's powdery. But it is so pigmented. I'm not impressed, I'm shocked. Love Shine Love Shine. I'm gonna cut with this Makeup Revolution concealer. Trying to speak like England. Oh. The fact that I said it's gonna be fast is not meaning that it is not gonna be beautiful. These two shades are so similar, but I think this one is lighter than this, so this one I'm gonna use this one first and then this one. SMA Amore. S and M. Now Amore. Now I'm gonna use this Rendables. So similar, the shades. The next shade, the next orange bow down. Love Shine. With a tiny brush, I'm gonna use Love Shine. The only shade I don't have here is like a vanilla, like a brown area. So I'm gonna pick Too Faced Chocolate Cold. I know I have to film one tutorial with this palette because it is amazing. I'm gonna use this one to highlight this area. Come back with the rosy shades. I'm gonna use this one, the gold one, Too Faced, to give the pop to the look. I'm gonna apply my lashes over off camera and I'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna apply this X Cosmetics mascara. PH Cosmetics to contour, bronze my face. I'm gonna use this blush by Ardel. So international today. I almost forgot it's really pigmented. Highlight my face with my dual dynamic. This is the Wet n Wild and CoverGirl. This one. It's alive, it's alive. Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, Rimmel London, to keep that line of London, British. setting spray. Well, this is the final result, the final look with this amazing palette by Plouise from UK to USA. I really like it, this palette. So I hope you like this makeup tutorial that I did for you today. And now I'm gonna do an extra for you today. You see. Oh, swatches. Swatches. Oh my god. I don't know. Let's start here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try again this one, because I don't know. Okay. This is the first row. I'm sorry. Trying to do this better. You see? I start talking in British. Rendezvous. Amore. Flame. This is the second row, so let's gonna do the last one. Look, that yellow. That yellow is that yellow. And the last one. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. There is the shades. Well, I hope you like this tutorial with these swatches, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Give me your thumbs up and comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and happy holidays.